everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And yes, I'm going to use my pottery wheel again because I'm really excited. My first one came out really great. And I think this is an 8-inch round. And I'm going to be using Sherwin Color to Go in white. Not to waste your time, I'm just going to speed through this disaster. It seemed like my copper cell activator was probably really old, and it really did not develop into anything, and it was just a big waste of time. So we speeded through this, and I just poured right on top. Such a gorgeous pillow color. Sherwin Color to Go in bottle green. Okay. I have this color such a long time in my stash here. I hope they still make it because this is going to be one of my favorites. So let's start with some of this shimmer. And how gorgeous is that green gold interference? Beautiful. And then the mixture of Sangria with Twilight to make this beautiful color mixed with my pouring medium. Just 1 scoop each. And the Posse Rose Shimmer. Beautiful color. Maybe we won't put too many colors on this one. Put a little Ballet Slipper. And some rose quartz. Just a little bit. Just a little nab. If I can just take a moment of your time and welcome you to Friday with Friends. And this week is a regular week, so we're going to be starting off with Joanne Ralstin Art, followed by Janet, Acrylic Creations by jwitty, followed by Cynthia Porter Studio, followed by me. So it's a short week this week. We have no guests, and next week we'll have a little surprise, and you'll see that next week. So please go back and look at my description below for any artists you may have missed. You don't want to miss any one of them. Each one has something special in store for you this week. And I do want to thank each and every one of you for coming this week and every week. We really appreciate how you support us, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. like that green, I'll say that much, with that pink. Look at that pink, that Posse pink coming up in there. That looks really beautiful. Check out that green gold interference up there. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurt. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing?
Oh yeah. Look at those colors popping. Can you see that? Wow. Look at that.
Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit.
Absolutely beautiful.
We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride, let your spirit.
Okay, this is me just being crazy and wanting to get as much paint off as possible. I should just give it up now before I ruin the painting.
Many more come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot.
Look at that shine. Look at that.
'Cause nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. Yes, we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Feathers in my hair and braids around my waist, I'm almost a bird.
Okay, for all intent purposes, this is like one of the first things I did when after I was sick. I don't know what I'm inspecting here, but it really came gorgeous. And I'm going to show you a close-up, and then I'm going to show you the dried results. But this really came beautiful. I am so happy. Look at that sparkle and shine. So here are the wet results, and look at that shimmer and shine. That gold and that green interference is absolutely stunning. And there's that pink coming through, that Posse rose shimmer. I just love how this came out. Wait till you see it dry with Tri-Art glass. I am so sorry for the glare, but that is how this Tri-Art glass, it came actually like glass. It is amazing. Look, I did not lose 1 ounce of shimmer and shine in this. It is shining so bright, you cannot believe it. Absolutely stunning. This piece is awesome. Look at that.